स्वागत है दोस्तों, आप सबका एक बार फिर से हम सबके अपने चैनल वृहा कृष्णा बुक समरी में। दोस्तों, यहाँ हम एक बुक जिसका नाम है साइंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग टू योग वेदांता के कुछ बहुत ही डीप और इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करते हैं और साथ मिलकर सीखते हैं, समझते हैं कि हम क्या है, खुशी क्या है, हम कैसे अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर बना सके, कैसे लाइफ के हर एक डायमेंशन में ग्रो कर सके। तो चलिए इस सीरीज़ को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और आज एक नए टॉपिक इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ कर्मा ऑन आर हैप्पीनेस को डिस्कस करते हैं, समझते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फ्रेंड्स, योग वेदांता सेज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू आर एक्शन वी गेट हैप्पीनेस और अनहैप्पीनेस। Whenever we perform an action, we do karma. As it is said in our culture, what we sow, we reap. This book gives us an example. Let's say we help a friend in his studies and our friend did very well in his exams. This is the first effect, an external effect. The second effect is our generosity and helpfulness created a strong positive sanskara in our mind. This is an internal effect. The third one is, which we cannot see, is that when we need help will automatically come to us. This is called karma phala or cosmic effect. The karmic cycle of cause and effect continues. Our action generates the sanskara which leads to habits. Habits leads to character and character creates our destiny. One more cause of our unhappiness lies in knowing what to do but not being able to do it. There is an example of this in the Mahabharata, in the life of the chief villain Duryodhana. When Mahabharata war was about to start, Bhishma, the grand old sire of the Kuru family, tells Duryodhana that if he had followed the path of dharma or righteousness, the war could have been averted. To this Duryodhana replies, "Janami dharmam nacha me pravrittihi, janami adharmam nacha me nivrittihi." It means that I know what is dharma, but I am not able to do it. I do not have inclination towards dharma, and I know what is adharma, but I cannot desist from it. We must fix our will on what is right and good now, at whatever stage of life we are in. Let us be strong about this. We are perfectly capable of it. Vivekananda urged young people, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. If a goal-oriented, focused life is absent, we will never know where we are going to end up. Another reason of our unhappiness is we just cannot stop thinking. Our thinking goes on automatically. Only remedy to this is the practice of meditation. There's a funny story regarding the perils of overthinking. One man suddenly found himself under a wish-fulfilling tree called Kalpataru in a forest. He sat under it not knowing that it was a wish-fulfilling tree. He started thinking, "Oh, I am so tired. How I wish I had some water." And water suddenly appeared before him. He drank the water and thought, a nice seat to sit upon would make me very comfortable, and suddenly a throne appeared and he sat on it. Then he thought, if I get some delicious food, and all kinds of delicious food appear. Then he wanted someone to press his tired feet, and all his wishes were fulfilled. Then he suddenly thought, I am so comfortable, but what if a tiger comes now? And sure enough, a tiger came, snarled and gobbled him up. What is this wish fulfilling tree? It is our own mind. Whatever we think intensely will become a reality in our life, because action in its infancy is called thought. What we are thinking today will become fructify at some point under favorable circumstances into action in our lives. The wish fulfilling tree of our mind will create circumstances for us. We create our life through the power of our thoughts. We observe that the normal cause of our unhappiness is a wrong management of the powers of the mind. We invested it in things which we need not have given attention to, so it led to attention deficit. We did not know how to exercise our will. That is why it led to life simply passing by. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप भी इस तरह के टॉपिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, समझना चाहते हैं खुशी को, खुद को डीपली, वास्तविक स्वरूप, तो प्लीज़ मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इन्हें अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स जिनकी लाइफ में आप चाहते हैं एक पॉजिटिव चेंज आए, जो अपनी लाइफ में ग्रो करें, जिनकी लाइफ बेहतर बनाना चाहते हैं आप, उनके साथ मेरे इन वीडियोस को और चैनल को प्लीज़ शेयर करें। धन्यवाद मुझे सुनने के लिए। फिर मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ।